Hey guys, it's that time again, and we're going to be adding some coins into my Canada album, and then we have a few that we're going to be adding into my Mexico album. Should say a little more than a few. So what we're going to start off is just going to show some of these off. We do have some like commemoratives up here. I have one of those good luck tokens in Canadian right there. It's pretty cool. I do have a 1 grammer right there, maple leaf. I do have some old Canadian tokens right here. I have the penny, half penny, which is the 1837, and then I have the 1857 with the half penny also. I do have some of my large cents here. We're going to be adding one of those in right now. Let me grab that up. So I have a 1901 that we're going to be adding into this collection here for the large cents. I do have the entire small cent album complete. But now I'm going to start working on the large cents. For some reason, it's not wanting to go in on that side. That's why. Okay. I just did not want to slide down in there. It still doesn't. I just don't want it to tear the sleeve, because that's no fun either. There we go. Now we got it in there. So now we have the 1901 added in. I did pick up a couple of old nickels also, so let's switch over to the nickel side here. And it's all the way to the back. These are mostly silver until you get to the newer dates there. So here are some of my older nickels right here. I do have a 35 right there. This one is going to be a 26 right there. So I'm going to start it at the very front and slide that nickel in place. There we go. And then the next one is I have a 39. So I think I'm going to slide this one down until I can find some more of these. Man, it does not want to budge. There we go. Now we got it out. So we're going to move down to 35. And we're going to add the 39 right there. And that gives me a little more room. Plus I have plenty of sleeves. But then I have 47, 49, 63, 65. And then a bunch of new ones also. Do have some newer Canadian here. Some loonies and toonies. And some of the newer dimes there. But what we're going to be adding in, we're going to head over to our dollars, and I think I already have this one. But I won this from Coin Crew from a giveaway. So I have a 66 there, and there's another 66. So I'm just going to drop it down below here and just get added to the stack there. So that is the Canadian collection there we just added to. All right, let me grab Mexico. I'll be right back. All right, there we go. We have our Mexico album here. We have some of the old Mexico money here. And we're gonna be adding, I may have to add some pages to this because this one is a lot more full than my Canadian by far. Let me grab a page here. I'm just gonna pop it right in front here because I have some large ones that I'm gonna be adding in. There we go. This page is already completely full here. I have some that go all the way back to 1870. We have our 68 commemorative right there. That's a 27. Definitely have some older ones in here. And there's a 23, 1861. And then I have pretty good amount of these right here also. Got some older stuff here, 1890s, 1889, and some smaller stuff here, and then some more current stuff that I've come across also. But we're going to be adding quite a bit of silver today, so that is my goal, is we're going to be adding these in. I haven't had a chance to sleeve them up yet. We're just going to slide them in for right now. That one's going to be a 1960 commemorative that they have for Mexico. We do have This one here, 1907, and this is a centavos. I have another Hidalgo right here, like this one here. This one is definitely been circulated, where this one has not been circulated. I do have another un peso here, 1932. One of these here. Those are pretty cool too. Get that into place. And then we have that one also, Hidalgo. And I have this one here. This peso, 1957. And then for some of the smaller Mexico stuff, I have this one up here. I'm gonna grab a sleeve real quick, and then eventually I'm gonna get all these actually in flips, and then not have to worry about it either, and have them labeled that way also. And get them a little more organized. There we go. So I think this one is the 79, this is the 80. I have a 79 there also. All right, so let's move on back a little bit here. Let's see where these are gonna fit in the best. So I do have these here. I have a 36 for this. So we're gonna drop this one in right up here. Oh, 36. I can get it to sleeve up here. There we go. Slide on down. And then for some of our smaller denominations, I think I may just put them at the bottom of that page. This is all newer stuff for the Mexico. Except for some of these are a little bit older here, these 20 centavos. Yep. All of those up there. 50s, it's 27. Maybe, let's go to this page here. Since we have some room, we're gonna add them here. We have this one right here, 5 centavos. Actually, I think with the 5 centavos, 1 centavo, 2 centavo. Let's go back up here actually. I think I like these better up this way. Where I have some space. Might move some of these back, these newer ones. I think that's what I'm going to do. All right, there we go. So let's start out with the 1883, and this basically is uncirculated. Beautiful, beautiful coin. 1883, 1 centavo. Drop it in there. Next, we're going to go with the 2 centavo, 1883. And then we have our 5 centavo right there, 1906. Let's slide these back, and slide these others back in place here. Give them a home over here. That's where they actually belong. So this is a 43. I already have a 43, so I'm just going to drop it into the next one there. And then I have some newer stuff here. We'll just drop these in here also. It's an 85 and 75. All right, so that is it for Mexico. Quite a bit of silver now building up in my silver collection from Mexico. And looking pretty good. Eventually, maybe I'll even get an album, kind of work on it that way, but I'm not sure yet right now. We'll just have it all in here. All right, getting after my mail. I did get another one of these in. I got one from Kevin Rose right there. Added that into the Canadian. So I have a 2022 and a 2021 now. Also added a few in that I got just recently. We got our Canada there. That is a maple, with the maple cribbing on it. And then I got this 1.5 ounce polar bear. We added that one too. I also added the one I got from Coin Crew over here. So pretty nice. And then I did add this to the collection too. $5 note, 1949. From Mexico. Made in Mexico. Get that kind of lined back up. And I think that was it that I got added into recently. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Follow the train to the next guy to Pistol Packing Pilot, and we'll see you next time. All right, getting after my mail. I did get another one of these in. I got one from Kevin Rose right there. Added that into the Canadian. So I have a 2022 and a 2021 now. Also added a few in that I got just recently. We got our Canada there. That is a maple, the maple privy on it. And then I got this 1.5 ounce polar bear. So we added that one too. I also added the one I got from Coin Crew over here. So pretty nice. And then I did add this to the collection too. $5 note, 1949. From Mexico. Made in Mexico. Get that kind of lined back up. And I think that was it that I got added into recently. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Follow the train to the next guy to Pistol Packing Pilot, and we'll see you next time.